Announcing the commencement of the first purge.
I want you to change the world, and don't think that this is going to happen peacefully or you can do it alone. We need to kill the rich. You get out there, you use your weapons, and you rip Washington apart. You hunt down the billionaires, the bank bosses, the CEOs, the scumbags, and the liars, the governors, the lobbyists, the senators, because they're all the same, and you hang them.
Just remember all the good the purge does.
Good morning, everyone. July 25th, 2018. I'm Eric. Here at the DC Clothesline. More Hollywood pedophiles unmasked. Sarah Silverman threatens netizens. Anyway, before I get started, another YouTube channel has bit the dust. The SGT report. Although I don't like most of their statist rhetoric, I think they have a right to express their selves, I guess. I guess they put out too many Q videos. Which brings me to this. Please do subscribe to my backup channel. I also have a channel on Bitchute. Just in case. Link to my backup YouTube channel below. Probably the Bitchute channel too. Anyway, let me get into this. So, more Hollywood pedophiles have been unmasked. I want to know when, I don't know, the pedophiles from the Republican Party and the various churches and DSS and all that get unmasked. I mean, these Hollywood perverts get their children somewhere, right? Okay? In addition to the director of Disney movies, James Gunn, and actor Michael Ian Black, more Hollywood pedophiles are being unmasked. Law and Order director Jace Alexander, writer and producer Dan Harmon, actor and comedian Patton Oswalt. I didn't read any of the tweets to you before because they're pretty sickening, but I'll give you a couple of these here. I don't like watching iCarly, and this comes from Michael Ian Black. This is not me saying it. I want to make that fucking clear now, and that's why. Another reason why I didn't do it, because some asshole would take my words and make it sound as if I'm the one saying this. No, I'm not. It's Michael Ian Black. I don't like watching iCarly with my daughter, his daughter, because there is no one on that show I want to molest. This is Jace Alexander here. You know what I say? Hang them. Their children would be better off without them. So Jace Alexander, 54, is married, father of 3, and the director of shows including Rescue Me, The Mysteries of Laura, Raising Hope, Burn Notice, Lizzie McGuire, as well as 32 episodes of Law and Order. The son of Emmy and Tony award-winning actress Jane Alexander. Oh, that's nice. So, U.S. Magazine reports that on June 28, 2016, in a New York courtroom, Jace Alexander was sentenced to 10 years probation on child pornography charges and must register as a sex offender in New York. Should have been hung. Alexander had faced up to 7 years in prison after pleading guilty in January to promoting a sexual performance by a child and possessing an obscene performance by a child. Digital files show under age 16 engaging in sex acts were found on computers at Alexander's Dobbs Ferry, New York home. Yeah. Should have been hung. Hung. Okay. Dan Harmon, 45, is a Hollywood writer, producer, actor, and voice actor. He created and produced the NBC sitcom Community, co-created the animated series Rick and Morty, and there's another article about those faggots right there. Rick and Morty creators, same kind of deal, only they were acting like they're raping a baby. These are the kind of people in the masses hold on pedestals. Oh, he's from Hollywood. He's famous. I say, hang him. Hang them all. But, me saying that could possibly get my video taken down and my channel banned, which is why I would like you to subscribe to my backup channel. It is anti-authoritarian. Maybe that channel will do a little better. Not named, Kill the State. Maybe. Alright. Okay. I stopped at Rick and Morty, and this is Dan Harmon. He also co-founded the alternative television network website Channel 101. Breitbart reports July 23, 2018, that Harmon deleted his Twitter account last weekend after a fake baby rape video featuring him resurfaced and went viral on social media. Yeah, you got to be careful what you do in the internet age. It might come back to bite you in the ass. And there's a fine example of that. And rightfully so. I mean, do you really want these fucking people out running around? I don't think so. I don't think they belong out in public, do you? You worried about the motherfuckers in prison? No. Don't worry about them. Don't worry about the assholes outside like this. Which, by the way, I'm facing some prison time. But that's okay. At least I didn't hurt a child. In the 5-minute video that's supposed to be a joke, Harmon plays a child molester named Daryl who climbs through a window, pulls his pants and underwear, or pulls down his pants and underwear, and rubs his genitals on a plastic doll lying on the couch. Harmon says on camera, "I rape babies. I rape babies. I rape babies." Is it going to play? Oh, is it just a photo? Yeah. Yeah, just a photo. They fooled me. Patton Oswalt. Look at this motherfucker. Patton Oswalt, 49, is a stand-up comedian, writer, actor, and voice actor known for roles such as Spencer Olshan in the sitcom The King of Queens, voicing Remy in the movies Ratatouille, and playing multiple identical brothers on the TV series Agents of S.H.I.E.L.D. Oswald was so unhinged by the election of Donald Trump to the presidency, he urged ISIS terrorists to attack Trump's real estate properties around the world. On November 25th, 2016, Oswald Patton, at Patton's Oswald, retweeted a message by Islamic terrorists, some shit I cannot pronounce and I'm not going to try, just Islamic terrorists, promoting terrorists to attack Trump properties around the world. And the tweet read, "Holy fuck, come and get it all, come and get it, terrorists." And the terrorist tweet, how did a terrorist tweet? I mean, you would think that, you know, Twitter would purge the accounts of terrorists. Oh, but wait. They are purging the accounts of people, but they're not really actual terrorists like this asshole. They're just people that want their fucking country back. Man. Now, Oswald joked about pedophilia in a series of tweets. You decide if these are jokes. In quotes, "My dong is super friendly and loves getting rubbed by children. I am a proud pedophile," proud written in caps. Let NAMBLA, or North American Man-Boy Love Association members, fuck anyone they want. Am I so crazy wanting my kid to grow up in a safer world? How is that safer for your kid? And these guys aren't hanging from ropes. Why? What the fuck is wrong with you, public? You live closer than I do. If I could get my hands on these guys, they would be hanging from trees. And rightfully so. Here's another one. There's a 35% chance I'd blow a Girl Scout for a sleeve of Thin Mints. Here's another one for you from Patton Oswald. The angry @tweets from my hammer-toed followers opened my eyes. Pedophobe shaming hurts us all. I am a proud pedophile. So these people are admitting that they're pedophiles. So you wonder, what the fuck does any of this have to do with Sarah Silverman? She used to be a pretty screwable chick until she opened her damn mouth and ruined it. But I digress. So on July 22nd, 2018, someone who looks like unfunny comedian Sarah Silverman, who said, "I want to eat an aborted fetus," that Jesus is pro-abortion, "I hope the Jews did kill Christ, I'd do it again, I'd fucking do it again," and called for the military coup to overthrow Donald Trump. Issued a threat on 4chan to stand down. And here's what she wrote. Let me make something clear, or resoundingly clear. I have to make sure I get every word first. You're not all as anonymous as you think you are. Far from it. What you're doing is tantamount to terrorism, and trust me, there will be serious repercussions. And, you know, maybe this is not hers. Let me make sure. There she is. And on her phone, she has a message for everybody. She says, "Stand the fuck down." Huh? Stand the fuck down. Quit coming after our pedophiles. We need them. I wonder if Silverman a pedophile herself. So this is what she wrote. Oh, yeah. She did write that above, but she wrote more. She says, "You think this is some sort of game? Do you not understand that you are fucking with people, or people's livelihoods here? These are real people. Yeah, they're real people fucking with children. These are real people's lives we're talking about. This is wrong on so many levels. Y'all think you're so big and tough hiding behind a screen. You worthless, redneck, racist, inbred pieces of shit." Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. You have no idea who and what you're going up against. Let me make something resoundingly clear to this cesspool and its inhabitants. You're not all as anonymous as you think you are. Far from it. What you're doing is tantamount to terrorism, and trust me, there will be serious repercussions. That's all I have to say. Anyway. Okay. The only editing used on the photo was to mask some wrinkles. The image on the phone was evidently not Photoshop, nor was this simply a case of someone slapping a hand holding a phone over Sarah Silverman's dimly lit face. No, this was Sarah legitimately thinking she could intimidate the internet hate machine by taking a selfie with some text on it. Look at her. Another motherfucker that should be hung. I'm very glad that these people are being pulled out of the woodwork. They need to be exposed. We need to be putting this shit up on everywhere we can. Hollywood needs to be destroyed. It's just as bad as Washington. Anyway, I thought I would share this with you. I have 3 more for you coming up. Remember, God damn it, I have 2 more channels. 2 more, in case this one gets taken down. Anti-authoritarian YouTube channel. I only have 1 subscriber, myself, on that one. And I have another backup channel on Bitchute, which is Kill the State. So, you know, if you like my content, please do subscribe to those, because at some point in the near future, I imagine my ass will be purged from this fucking platform too. Someone made a comment in the comment section yesterday, which really, you know, was flattering. It was a nice comment. And he said, YouTube's got to be fucking with you, man. There's no way a channel this good only has this many subs, or something along that lines. I appreciate the comment. Till next time, kill the state before the state kills you.